This is Robert with All County Waterproofing. We are in a house in South Orange. I wanted to show you what a Drylok basement wall. The client had put Drylok on the wall, and this was the end result of the Drylok. You can see that due to the water trapped inside the block, the wall stayed wet and then reacted with the Drylok, causing it to get heavily coated with mold. I'm also going to take you over to this other wall here. You can see it's starting. Drylok is not a waterproofing method, okay? All it will do is react to cause the walls to turn black. You can see in this area where there is no water, this is the inside of the house, the wall looks pretty clean. And as we come around to this side, again, you can see how clean and white it is, because that's where the addition was. But all the exterior walls totally infested with mold. Again, Robert with All County. Thanks.